Hey, this could be the lamest unboxing you've ever seen, but this is the MacBook Air M1, which I just ordered a few weeks ago, just turned up now. I've opened up the box, but the first thing I noticed is when I looked in the box. Oh, there it is. This is exciting. But look at the engineering on this box. That's outstanding. Somebody's job was to design a box that protected the contents. So, one hand, oh, it's really, oh, look at that, unreal. Looks good. What we got there? There's the box. And what is that? Some sort of tab over here. It says, oh, look at that little arrow. Oh, unreal. Pull the arrow, pull in the direction of the arrow, or pull, oh, look at that. Man, oh man, the packaging engineer. Oh. Okay, oh my god, that's it, warranty. Ready, this is going to be challenging, holding the phone. Oh, there we go, look at this. I'm going to flip it, sorry, gone out of the queue. Check it out. You can end up, sorry, getting a close-up while I need my second hand. Lifting up. Oh, I can't get it. Come on. It's almost. Come on, one hand. This is so boring to be watching this. But hang on, here we go. Oh my god. Look at it. And there's a tab again. What's this little thing? Oh, look. You can pick it up. Oh. Unreal. Well, actually I am a bit excited, so there you go. I'm going to pop it on there gently. See what else is in here. Okay, there's the cable. USB-C is it? Or is it lightning or whatever they call it? Oh, it's a massive grunty charger. Geez, that design hasn't changed for a long time, has it? What's in here? Nothing much. And a box of nothing. So anyway, I'm just going to do the last thing here. I'm going to see if I can unwrap it. Oh man, again that packaging is just outstanding. Look at these little bobby bits down here. Real. Anyway, flip it. Try and open it up. Oh, come on. Oh, I can't open it. Ah. Alright, there we go. Oh, jeepers. It started by itself. Anyway, great stuff, guys. Enjoy.